Hello everyone, Brett's here, Lionheart 84. And I'm just having a quick walk around before going out for a bite to eat this evening at the Roof Garden at Canary Wharf for anyone interested. And it's come to the West India Quay station if you want to see this place. Parts of it are open to the elements and parts of it are glassed over to give some protection so they can grow things like these tree ferns. Magnolia grandiflora, strawberry tree, Arbutus inado. We've got quite an interesting mix of plants here and trees. There's a loquat. No signs of fruit or flowers on it. No doubt it will fruit in time. I've got some fabulous tree ferns in here, perfect conditions for it. Hear the birds cheeping in here as well. Undamaged bottle brush or callistemon. You've got flowers coming on them. A wonderful microclimate of places like this. They've got loads of strawberry trees here. All of them with fruits on.
Oh, you'll come with me?
Looks like a Cornus Cousa. Not better than mine. I'll walk over here and show the bananas in a minute. I presume it'll be Musa Baju. Loving it up here. Not cut back at all by the cold. I think that's a verbena. Musa, sorry, just ducking under someone there. Got to a fair old height and I wouldn't be surprised if they won't fruit and flower. Gunnera's here, more loquats or loquats. Wonderful place to be growing things on top of a roof garden. Plenty of loquats or loquats here. Most of the plants look pretty healthy. Loads of Gunneras. Doing really well. Bamboos. Lots of Cordylines. A few bars here as well, of course. People want to do socialising. Look, people queuing down there to get in that place. Probably a bit younger than me. Anyway, thought you might all appreciate that video. This is the roof garden at Canary Wharf Wharf and West India Quay if you want to come here on the tube or on the DLR. Thanks for watching.